Hello, my dear students of class 9 English version. I am Ariful Hassan, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Milestone College. Welcoming all of you on our online class system. Last few classes we are discussing chapter 16. Last class you got one video class on last Monday, and that was road accident. I think all of you have watched it properly. On that video class, we discussed causes of road accident, causes, impacts of road accident in context of Bangladesh. Today, we are going to discuss a very fearful social problems at present in Bangladesh, which is juvenile delinquency. In chapter 16, we are discussing different types of social problems, major social problems of our country. Juvenile delinquency, you can see the screen. Juvenile means teenagers. Delinquency means corruption or any illegal activities. From the book, I have quoted few lines. See, concept about the juvenile delinquency. It is a fearful social problem for every country. Generally, children between 7 and 18 years are considered as adolescent. When any crime is committed by the children of this age, then it is termed as juvenile delinquency. And the child who commits this type of crime is known as juvenile delinquent. That means basically teenagers when committed this type of any types of illegal activities or wrong activities which goes against the prevailing law of any country, that one is known as the juvenile delinquency. Side by side, the child who commits this one is known as juvenile delinquent. Juvenile delinquent. At present, it's a you can say big social problem in our country, and you can, if you observe, if you watch the different media, print media, electronics media, which is known to use as a gangster, young gangster, and in area wise you can see different types of gangster. You can say this is the result of juvenile delinquency or impact of the juvenile delinquency. Now see, juvenile delinquency, but what are the causes? That means why this type of juvenile delinquency in our country increasing day by day. What is the reason? That means why our young generation day by day going in the wrong path instead of right path. First one, see, bad social problems. Causes bad social problem. It's a one kind of mentionable bad social problems, and due to the social system of our country, young generation is going to in the different wrong path. Deprivation of fundamental rights. First one, see, deprivation of the fundamental rights. See, in our country, maximum cases, all the children are not getting equal facilities from the family, and there is a class system: upper class, middle class, lower class, and income of the family is not equal. That is why when a child or you can say the deprived children or underprivileged children easily get involved with the crimes. And see, as for example, when you are attending class with your friends, any class from different background, students are coming, and then you are mixing with different classes people, and some fathers' income is more, some fathers' income is less, parents' income is less, and when you can see one son or a daughter is getting good facilities from the family, but on the other hand, the family members whose economic condition is not good, the child is not getting that type of facilities from the family. In that case, when they are getting the fundamental rights easily, they are trying to earn anyhow, and it is one of the cause of the juvenile delinquency. Then number 3, association with evil company. There is a Bangla proverb, Shango dushe lobho bashe. That means company, that means what type of friends with whom you are mixing is very important. If you mix, or if you play, or if you go outing with good friends, and automatically you will earn a good behavior from them. But if your friends selection is not good, you are mixing with your friends who are not in the right path, in the wrong path. That means due to the influence of bad company or evil company, a child also can do different types of juvenile delinquency. Now next one, lack of equal facilities. See, lack of equal facilities, and you can say deprivation of fundamental rights. Lack of equal facilities almost goes same, you can say similar, but when in a family there are 3 or 4 son or daughter, parents cannot give equal facilities for all the children due to the financial crisis. In that case also, a child can be turned into juvenile delinquent. Poverty. In respect of Bangladesh, it is one of the main reason of juvenile delinquent in urban areas of Bangladesh, you can say, in urban areas. The boy or girl who is growing up in slums or in a very poor economic condition in the urban area, they are not able, the parents of their children, parents of those children are not able to meet up the demand of the children. Are not able. Some cases, some child who is growing up in slums, they don't have father or mother, orphan, some cases, maximum cases, and for meeting the demand, even basic demand, they are doing different types of illegal activities in the society, in the urban area. Maximum cases in our country, juvenile delinquents, those are juvenile delinquents, they are from slums area, or the two classes, you can say, upper class and lower class, not middle class. Juvenile delinquent maximum cases upper classes people and lower classes people, not from the middle class, and maximum from the lower class people, those in the are not able to meet up the demand of the family members. Then deprivation from educational opportunity in urban area, or you can say rural area. Maximum cases there are some family members. Still now we are underdeveloped or developing. Now we are developing country. Parents or family, head of the family, cannot afford the educational opportunity for the children. And if there are 2 or 3 child or daughter, 1 or 2 get facilities, but other one is getting facilities. But in the urban area, again coming to the same point, those are in the slums area, they are getting educational opportunity from the family, and they are doing different types of illegal activities instead of going to school. Irresponsible attitude and lack of control of parents. Urban life, again coming in the urban life, because juvenile delinquency maximum cases are taking place in the urban life. Now it is also the rural area. Irresponsible attitude and lack of control of parents. Irresponsible attitude means in the urban area, in maximum cases, father and mother both are busy for earning money to meet up the demand of the family, and they are doing irresponsible attitude. That means they are not taking care of the child or their son or daughter, where they are going or with whom they are mixing, and lack of control. They don't have enough time to control the children. That is why, for the influence of bad culture or other things, young generation is going to transform in the juvenile delinquency. Loneliness in cities. The child who is growing up alone in a flat in urban area, when father and mother or head of the family, both of them are working outside for making livelihood. In that cases, a son is remaining alone at home and they are doing different types of illegal activities. Aloofness from parents. Maximum times, if a child remain away from the father and mother and live alone anywhere, in that cases, child also do some types of illegal activities and it juvenile delinquents. Inclusion of bad culture, that means foreign culture, different types of serial. By watching this one, our young generation at present is doing different types of activities or wrong activities, which is juvenile delinquency. So these are the juvenile causes of juvenile delinquency in respect of Bangladesh. You can say to cheat in the exam hall also is one kind of juvenile delinquency. You should keep it in mind. See, now prevention of juvenile delinquency. That means how we can prevent or how we can reduce the juvenile delinquency from our society, from our country. See, first part, by maintaining healthy family environment. When father, mother, their children will live together and they will interact each other. They will give time to the children. They will look after the children with whom they are mixing. In that cases, a child cannot be a juvenile delinquent. Because it's important for healthy family environment for the proper growing up of a child. Then providing religious and moral education. When a family, head of the family or father, mother will give the proper moral education, that means you have to show respect to senior, you have to show love and affection to junior, and what are mentioned in our religion as a Muslim, they have to follow it properly. And if when a child will follow the religious rules and regulations and moral education, a child cannot be a juvenile delinquent. So we have to keep it in mind. That means we have to provide the religious rules and regulations and moral education to the children properly for the prevention of juvenile delinquency from our country or society. Taking activities for good entertainment. When father and mother or head of the family will get time, leisure time and financial support, we have to arrange good entertainment for the children at home or also at the outside. At home, different types of electric devices are available. You can provide to the children, and we can take the children outside out for outing when they will get time, leisure time, parents and also the children. In that case, they will also look away from the different types of illegal activities. Preventing bad culture. At present, through electronics media, it may be mobile or different types of desktop, laptop, what you want to save. Everywhere we can see influence of bad culture, foreign culture. By watching this type of culture, foreign culture, Western culture, what you think as a modern, but it is not a modern culture, it's a destructive culture, I can say, for you, and it is destructing you day by day by watching the foreign culture. By rectifying character, when a child is going to a wrong path or day by day doing different types of juvenile delinquency, we should try to rectify his or her character so that the child never goes to this type of path. Bringing back into right path through the help of the juvenile court. In our country, there is juvenile court, and juvenile court is working for the correction of the juvenile delinquent. That means if any teenager commit any types of crime or corruption or illegal activities, there is a responsibility of juvenile court to bring them in the right path by giving different types of support. And if this juvenile court in our country work properly, then also juvenile delinquency can be prevented from our society, from our country. So these are the way or means by which we can reduce or we can prevent or we can stop juvenile delinquency from our country, from our society. Again, I am telling the points. First one, by maintaining healthy family environment, providing religious and moral education, taking activities for good entertainment, preventing bad culture, by rectifying character, bringing back into right path through the help of juvenile court. Now see, beside this, there are also some other points. In your text, you can see page 287, the Separation of Juvenile Delinquency Act and its trial system. In Bangladesh, there is a Juvenile Delinquent Act. On the basis of this, a juvenile delinquent will get punishment, or our law enforcing agency will trial system for juvenile delinquent. And the purpose of trial system for juvenile delinquents is not to punish the delinquent juvenile, rather realizing their misdeeds or misdeeds, they should get opportunity for correction. Now, next on juvenile delinquents, that means who are juvenile delinquents? It differs country to country on the basis of life expectancy. In respect of Bangladesh, a person who is under 16, if commit any types of wrong activities, he or she will be considered as juvenile delinquent, and it is mentioned on the Bangladesh Children Act 1974. But United Nations, according to United Nations Convention on Child Rights, all persons below 18 years of age are treated as children. And Bangladesh also has approved this convention in 1989, earlier it was 16. And day by day, life expectancy, that means average life expectancy in our country is increasing. That is why now it is 18 years. Now, next one, the law on juvenile delinquency. What type of law are there in our country? See, generally children between 7 and 18 years are considered adult. The Children Act 1974, which already mentioned earlier, in Bangladesh is considered the basic law for the trial of juvenile delinquency. This act directs to constitute a court for trial of juvenile delinquency, provides separate custody or lock up for them, and to take sufficient measure for their correction. And see, this act also directs to constitution a child court comprising of a first-class magistrate and other officers, which will sit at least 2 to 3 times or more in each month. And see, correction of the adult, that is the juvenile delinquent. We should hate the crime, not the offender. From this view, we have to try to correct the juvenile delinquent. That is why in our country there is also Juvenile Delinquent Correction Center. And the law directs to take necessary measure for the correction of accident. According to the law, accused and convicted juveniles who need formal correction have to send to the correction center. Now, another topic. Up to this, it was the regarding juvenile delinquency. Now, another topic, and that one, the maternal welfare. Maternal welfare. See, what is maternal welfare? That means to do good things or to do anything for pregnant mother, a woman who is going to give a birth to a child. And the right to achieve sound health is human right. And you know that government has taken different types of initiative for the welfare of the pregnant women in our country. It is to ensure equality in getting service for all people between men and women for having good health, or ensuring service for entire people. Now see, one of the goals of national health policy is to reduce the rate of maternal death, especially lessening the rate responsible by the year 2021, the 15th anniversary of the independence of Bangladesh. For this reason, the government has taken satisfactory steps for the improvement of the health of the mother and children. Various measures have been taken as far as possible in every village to provide safe servicing during pregnancy. Bangladesh has earned reputation in the international arena for success in reducing the death rate of children and mother. Earlier, you know that maternity leave in our country was only 3 months. Now, you can say from 11 January 2011, the government of Bangladesh, through a gazette notification, declared maternity leave for 6 months for all females working in government services, which is effective from 9 January 2011. So it's a good sign. Government has taken lots of steps for the mother and children in our country. So these are in a brief the maternal welfare in our country. So you will get one more class on this chapter next class, and it will be Zoom live class, and it will be held on chapter 16.5 and 16.6, that means that on the militancy and the corruption. But you have to have some homework. You have to write the reason or causes of the delinquency. Please listen me properly. You have to describe the causes or reason what I have given on the screen, or I have discussed. Just I have given the point, and you have to write with the description of each point. And next class you have to submit. Before the next class you have to submit to your respective subject teacher's personal ID. Best of luck.